Shalom and happy morning to you. In this walk, this righteous path that we tread, difficulties occasionally arise and press in on us. We may feel like we've been abandoned by Yah at times, even though we haven't strayed from the path. These are moments of testing, moments that are designed to prove us. Scripture is replete with accounts of such moments in the lives of our faithful ancestors, and each of them received strength to endure their trial. And that, in essence, is the key to passing these tests: endurance. Some tests may seem to linger on, stretching your patience thin, but those who persevere will be visited by Yah. So, when you're afflicted, when you suffer loss, when the peace in your life is disrupted and your world is shaken, wait patiently for Yah, who will fully restore you. Despite the trials we go through from time to time, we must never abandon the path. We must never lose the eternal hope that shines within us. Seek the face of Yah in those arduous times. Reach out to him with your earnest pleas, then sit back quietly and wait for his deliverance. For we have this wonderful promise: Yah is good to those who wait for him, to the soul who seeks him. It is good that one should wait quietly for the salvation of Yah. Lamentations 3, verses 25 to 26.